Hello everyone, welcome to our 2024 Class 8 Term 1 practicing video number 2. Now today we have quite a lot of things to go through. First, we're gonna have a look at the notes card. So we're gonna do a little game on the notes card and also the rhythm card. Review the 3 different rhythms that we have learned last week and some technique new homeworks and old pieces we go through in old pieces from piano book, performance book, tap dance, and what's the other one's name? Rain Rain. Yeah, and couple new songs for some individual students. Okay, first thing is the notes card. So I want you to get your notes cards ready and find all the line notes on the triple staff. So you can pause the video and try to sort out your cards. Once you have done, and have a look at the line notes cards, can you remember the phrase for line notes? Elves, guitar, breaks down Friday. Yes, so that's the phrase for the triple staff line notes. Now I want you to line it up or make the order of the phrase with your cards. So you need to find the first card that with the note on the first line, which is E for elf. And second card is second line G for guitar. Third card, B for breaks. Fourth card on the fourth line, D for down. And last one is the top line, Friday, F. I want you to put the line notes in order. Now there you go. I'll give you about 10 seconds. Alright, once you're done, now second groups, I want you to find the space notes for triple staff. There should be 4 cards. Okay, see if you can find them as quickly as possible. Ready? Go. Did you find all the cards? Right, you can pause the video if you need more time. Right, if you do, now have a look at the notes in the space. Do you remember the word for the space notes? Yes, face. So put the space notes in the order, in the correct order. F, A, C, E, which is the space notes. Okay, now you know what to do next. Now we move to the bass staff now. The bass staff also I want you to find the space notes and put them in the order of the phrase. So first line, good. Second line, boy, B. Third line, deserve, D. Fourth line, this is the fourth line, fine, F-I-N-E, fine, F. And then the last line, the top line, A for apple. Good boy deserve fine apple. Okay. Giving you another 10 seconds if that's enough. Did you find all? If you do, good job. Now the last one is the note in the space. Okay, I want you to put the space notes into the order, which is A for all, C for cows, E for eat, and G for cows. Oh, sorry, G for grass. All cows eat grass. No, all cows eat cows. All cows eat grass. Okay, now this is the card game for today. I hope you increase your speed. Okay, now we're gonna move to the rhythm cards. So I want you to find these 3 rhythms with your rhythm cards. Or if you have the fancy one, like the flip over one, you can just leave it at this. Because we did this in the class, I'll just review it. Okay, what I will do is I will clap 4-beat rhythm. Okay, so you need to listen carefully. Copy me after I'm done the clapping and find the correct rhythm cards. Alright, So remember there are 4 beats, so there should be 4 cars, or if you using the flip ones, you already have a 4 in a line, so you need to listen to each beat. Okay, now the first one, I'll put a rhythm on. One da, one da, one da. Okay, that's our speed. Actually, I'm putting one da. Yeah, that's more clear. Okay, right. That will be our speed. If you heard the quarter notes, it will sound like this. One da, one da, one da, one da. Okay, now the 8th note sounds like this. One da, one da, one da, one da. Now the 16th note sounds like this. Listen. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. So it sounds quite faster for the 16th note. Okay, now are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now copy. Did you remember all the rhythm? If you do, now is the time to look through your cards, find the correct combination. There should be 4 cards. Okay, if you have a trouble with some certain beat, don't worry, I will do one more time. Okay, now I'm putting the rhythm on. So count 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now it's your time to copy. If you can memorize that, go through your cards. And then I will let you know the answer. Just to check your one. Okay, are you ready? So the answer is first beat, quarter notes, da. Second beat is also a quarter note. The third beat is 2/8 note. And then the fourth beat is the 16th note. Did you get it all correct? Okay, let's try that one more time. I want you to clap, look at your rhythm cards and clap it with me. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 1, 1 da, 1 E N A. Okay, right, so that's our rhythm cards game for today. You can all do a different ones every day. So using your cards to create a 4-beat rhythm, you can clap it and try to do a different ones, different positions. Okay, all right, that's the rhythm cards for today, and we'll have a look at our technique book. So first we're gonna go through our old pieces. Some of you already passed it, so you can just keep you can playing with me, or you can have a look at your new ones. We'll talk about that in a second. For those who haven't passed it, that means you don't have a tick on your book. Watch the video because you already done your practice last week, and just review them. All right, cool. First we're gonna have a look at keep your balance on page 6. All right, so this piece, our main focus is getting your fingers, walking fingers, moving more actively. Some students are not moving that much. It's like this. Finger looks a bit lazy. Let's move them more willingly and actively. Lift them as high as possible. Okay, and the left hand's intervals or chords, always keep the fingers that you're not using, keep them up, okay? Not lying them on the keys or hang them down. So try to keep them up a little bit. All right, so listen first, and then it's your turn to practice. Okay, so I want you to try each line 5 times. The second line, remember that's a 3-note slur. The last note's gonna play a bit softer, and lift your hands up afterwards. Okay, right, let's keep your balance. Now the next one is page 8, Popcorn Popper. Popcorn Popper is swapping hands with the melody. Right hand, first line doing legato, walking fingers, and left hand doing jumping fingers. That's right. And second line, left hand doing walking fingers, and right hand doing jumping fingers. Okay, now I'm gonna play. You can listen first and do your practice. Alright, so that's Popcorn Popper. Again, if you haven't passed it, first line 5 times, second line 5 times. Now we're gonna talk about a new piece that Ella chose for us today. The jump and jump and slide on page 9. So this is our new homework. If you have a look at the book, that you can see this piece is divided into 2 parts. The first 2 bars of each line are doing jumping fingers, and the rest of the bars are using walking fingers. Okay, you can see a long slur. Alright, so I'm gonna play the whole piece. This one has a new note, so everyone should know all the notes and rhythms. So concentrate on the articulations, means jumping or walking fingers. Okay, so listen first and then you can try. 1, 2, 3. Walking finger. Alright, so that's our jump and slide. So third line and fourth line, we do have our extensions, which is E flat. Okay, you can see a flat sign here and here and here. Same as the fourth line, we also has a E flat for left hand and right hand. Just remember to find the correct notes. Right, by the way, do you remember the sharp and flat? Yeah, sharp is finding the next key to your right. Yeah, moving to higher range. And flat is moving 1 key to the left, going lower. Okay, right. We can try this one. Each line again 5 times. Now we move it to the next one, moonwalk. Moonwalker, we still have someone that hasn't passed this one because of the hand coordinations. So I'm just gonna play this one more time. You can listen and do your practice. Okay, very short. Just remember this one is in the F position. Okay, so our hands should be on F, and number 2 play B flat. So get number 2 ready to reach out for B flat. Okay, right. Next one is our last technique works, which is, I think I remember that was Jasper choosing it for us. This one called climbing around on page 15. Page 15. Okay, this one's quite special. What you can see is we have a 2 eighth notes rhythm and a 2 quarter notes. Between the bars, there's no rest. So this same rhythm repeat 3 times, and the last bar is a half note. Okay, so before we play this one, I want you to listen and try to find the pattern of this piece. I mean the rhythm, not the notes. Okay, listen to it. If you can clap the rhythm after I play, that would be great. It's just like a little rhythm practice. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, did you find the pattern? Someone did. So it sounds like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it's made of 2 eighth notes and 2 quarters. I don't have a 2 cuts, but we have a 2 quarter notes and a eighth notes rhythm. So combine them, we need to do fast, fast, slow, slow, fast, fast, slow, slow, fast, fast, slow, slow. The rhythm pattern sounds like this. Just remember, no pause, no break in the middle of the bars. Okay, now try one more time. You can clap the rhythm or say fast, fast, slow, slow along with my playing. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Fast, fast, slow, slow, fast, fast, slow, slow, fast, fast, slow, slow, hold. Okay, now we can count the rhythm as well. 1 down, 1, 1, 1 down, 1, 1, 1 down, 1, 1, 1 down, 2 down. Okay, right, this is the clouding around. It has a sharp at the beginning. Okay, so if we have F sharp, we definitely need to play F. If we have F, we're definitely gonna play F sharp. But going through the whole piece, after learning the notes, you'll find there's no F. So don't worry about it. Yeah, we don't need to worry about the F sharp if there's no F. Alright? Okay, so that's the homework from the technique book. We're gonna move to our songs. Alright, Rain Rain and Tap Dance. Students, you are in a good start. I can see that you recognize all the notes. The rhythm gets mostly correct. It just needed time to mastering it, make it more fluently and accurately. So what I'll do is I'll just play those 2 pieces, alright, at one go, and then you can just pause the video and practice on your own. Okay, so Rain Rain. This one, F position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okie dokie, so that's the rain. The only thing that I want to mention is the B flat. We can see a flat sign at the beginning of each line, so that means we need to play B flat all the way through. So if you see any B's, play the black keys. B flat, move one key to the left. Alright, now we move to our performance book, tap dance. Here we go. Tap dance is also in the F position. We also have lots of B flat, so make sure your hands are moving closer to the black keys. So basically my 2, 3, 4 is in the black keys. Yeah, in the black keys. So number 1, number 5 is not down to the edge, okay, it's kind of like in the middle way of the white keys or closer to black keys. So in that hand position, you are easily to reach the B flat without straightening out. Okay, right, I'm gonna play this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's tap dance. If you have any troubles, you can always message me. Okay, right, now there are 2 new pieces which is in the performance book, page 10 and 12. One is called Second Place and the other one is called Get Ready Rock. So this is just for the students who already passed all of it, the main pieces. So if you haven't passed the tap dance and rain, I still want you to focus on those 2. Okay, if you pass it, and here are 2 new pieces for you. So I will play the whole song first and then we go through some of the key points. Okay, now first one, Second Place. Okay, now this one we mainly using our walking fingers. Okay, you can see lots of long slurs and there are a couple of lines that we using the 2 fingers interval staccato. Okay, those are the jumping fingers, and make sure the fingers are nice and curved. And if we use number 5 for some of the chords, make sure number 5 is standing up. Okay, it's not collapse lying down like this, make sure. But overall this one is kind of easy flow. Alright, now the last one is Get Ready Rock. Now this one has a little bit tricky parts between bar 3 and bar 4. Okay, we have a tie on the right hands. Just remember not playing this second note, only play the first one and then hold it through. Okay, now let's try this one. Actually, I'm gonna put the metronome on so we can hear the counting. Okay, I'm putting the metronome on so it can help me to counting the beat, so I can concentrate on the play. So if you have a metronome, I strongly recommend to use it. Probably after you practicing the whole piece, you can do in the medium speed and then start using the metronome. So metronome is not really applicable when we start learning a new piece because you concentrate on the notes or rhythm. Once you can play relatively fluently, and then you can start using a metronome. Okay, until you can play fast. Okay, now I'm gonna put the metronome on.
2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、
Okay. Right, sorry, I missed a tie, so I'm gonna redo the last line. Okay, sorry about that. So the fourth line. Okay, so very tricky. First I read like a 4, but I miss a tie. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, and you hold the fourth one, not playing the second note. Okay, but even trickier, the left hand is small tie, so you hold the first beat on last bar, and then you left hand still gonna play the rest of the note, which is A and F. So very tricky in here. So the last line when you're practicing, you can slow down, count the beat first, and make sure the tie is only play once. Okay, cool. That's all for today. Any questions? Welcome to message me, and I'll see you next week. Bye.